What's up guys, this is Connor. Welcome to Three Pedal Devils. In this video, I'm going to tell you about my favorite exhaust mod for the 1982 Honda Nighthawk 450. So this is the matte black Shorty exhaust by 4-into-1. On this Honda Nighthawk, I currently have two of these pipes. They're just about 11 inches long. So it's got two different sides so that it's kind of universal for multiple bikes. You just pick whichever side fits in your stock exhaust. And then what I did was slip it in to this old exhaust and tighten up this band clamp down here. And then also to make it actually mount to the bike, there's a metal bar coming off the side of the exhaust down in there. It comes up to about here from factory. What I did was put it in there, pivot it, and line it up with this mounting hole for the exhaust. Made a Sharpie mark on this piece of metal, and then also kind of traced the outline of this bracket here on the bike. Cut that off with a cutoff wheel and did some filing to smooth it down, and then center punched and drilled a hole through it where I drew this Sharpie line so that this bolt could fit through. It was a pretty simple install. Don't really need too many crazy tools. You could even do this with a hacksaw if you wanted. Yeah, I mean, there's not a whole lot to it. It's a pretty simple little pipe. I just pulled out the old megaphone mufflers that came on the bike, slapped those in, did that little bar mount mod that I showed you, tightened it all down, and they're pretty much ready to go. They're pretty simple little install. They were also very cheap. I think they were about 25 bucks a piece, so a total of about 50 bucks for me. Don't quote me on that because the price may have changed since I bought them, but that's how much they were when I got them. I don't really think you can get too many other things like that'll sound this good for the price. So overall, I really like the sound on them, and I've enjoyed the pipes so far. One thing to mention is I'll go ride my bike so you can hear it, but when my bike's cold, there is a major stuttering issue between about 3,000 and 4,000 RPM. But I would like to point out that that was an issue with the stock megaphone mufflers and did occur very often before switching to these Shorty pipes. So yeah, I don't think that these Shorty exhausts will affect how well your bike runs. But my bike does run like absolute right now. So I actually just brought it here to our shop for storage for the winter. So I am planning to pull the carburetors off, rejet it, and do a full carb rebuild on this thing during the winter. And I also have some other work to do on it. My seal here for the clutch pivot is leaking quite a bit of oil, so I gotta pull that and replace the seal that's in there. I'll probably also put some new clutch plates and discs in there, just because the past couple times I've ridden it up at the higher RPMs, my clutch has slipped a little bit. If you have a Nighthawk and interested in seeing me do some of the work on that this winter, be sure to subscribe and like this video so that you can see when I post those in the next coming months. I'm also planning to put some heat wrap on my headers, and we'll also probably have some videos coming out for our other bikes. Here we have, I think this is a Ninja 250 from the 90s. This is a 2003 Suzuki DRZ 400S. We also have about 5 or 6 other bikes between the 4 of us. They're all at the boys' house, currently in their garage, but I think 4 of those bikes need quite a bit of work, so I think Bo and Max will be doing some work on those this winter. Not sure if they're going to make videos on them, but they probably will, so be sure to subscribe so you see some of that motorcycle content as well. So now I'm going to start the bike up and give you some sound clips inside the garage here. It does reverb and echo quite a bit in here, so sound might be a little bit misleading, so I'll also pull it outside, show you some idling sound clips, and then also some flybys for you. So let's cut to those. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's kind of hard to capture the true exhaust sound with the camera and different microphones and stuff, so it doesn't quite do it justice, but it is a great sounding exhaust, especially compared to the stock megaphone mufflers that do come with the Nighthawk 450. It sounds so much better. It's quite an upgrade, and for only about $50 for both pipes, it's definitely well worth it. So for all those who have asked about what exhaust I have, this is the Shorty muffler from 4-into-1. Mine's the matte black. I do think they make some different colors as well, but I'll drop a link to their website down below and to this specific product if I can find that link as well. So that's going to be the end of this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to 3 Pedal Devils to stay up to date with our future products. We got this new shop space and we're doing a lot of different work. So Max is doing a headlight retrofit with some demon eyes to his Evo 8. He's also doing quite a bit of work on his 1996 Buick Roadmaster with the LT1 engine here. So he's got it up on this stand and looks like he's got the valve covers off and quite a bit stripped off of it already. So we'll have some pretty crazy content going on in the shop, getting everything set up and organized, and just working on our stuff throughout the winter. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.